Hello, welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. My name's Gary Dowse. In the kitchen today, I have the REVO830 cold press juicer. This is the one that has the carrot and celery shoot on the top lid. And I'm gonna make a carrot. I've got some plum and some blueberries. I'm gonna call this one the seeing eye juice because all of the nutrition in these ingredients are really great for maintaining good eye health, which obviously is important. We really want to look after our eyes. And the vitamin A that's in this juice recipe is going to help us maintain good, healthy eyes. Now, with the carrot and celery juicer, the Revo carrots, we can put in whole. We don't need to cut them up or prepare them, as long as they're thin enough that they'll fit into the shoot. If we have a carrot that's a little bit thicker like this one, it doesn't go all the way down, it gets into the top, but as it goes in, it's a bit thinner at the bottom. So we would need to make one cut on that, down the middle, like so. Now that's going to go through and juice really easy. If you don't have a REVO830 cold press juicer and you have one of our other juicers, then you always cut the carrots straight down the middle to release the core. It makes it so much easier for juicing them. What about if you got the Revo? What if you got the Auto 10 cold press juicer with the hopper on the top? When we're juicing carrots in that juicer, we don't need to cut down the center. Just cut it along 2 or 3 cuts and we can put them in to the hopper and it can juice them that way. With the plums, we don't want to chuck whole plums into the juicer. They've got a hard seed in the middle that's going to do damage to the strainer. So we need to cut that seed out. Easiest way I like to do it, turn the plum on the side and do a cut all the way around. Then we can just twist it. Right, then look at the seed, the flat part. Okay, so then we want to cut and then twist again. And then with the seed we can just pop it out. If it's too tough to pop out, you can just cut it out. But then we want to throw the seed away. And look at that. Easy way to get rid, take the seed out of the plums. This one's almost falling out on its own. Perfect. So now our plums are ready. I'm happy with my carrots. I've had a look at them. They're all going to fit. And we've got the blueberries. For this one, for this juice recipe, we want to put the blueberries in first because they're really soft. They juice easy. They'll start to get into the juicer and coat the inside of the strainer. Then we're going to do the plums second because they're the next softest fruit. I'm going to finish the recipe with the hard carrots. Let's get juicing. We can pretty much just put the blueberries in handfuls at a time. They're so easy to juice. I've got about 100 grams here of fresh blueberries. You can use thawed, frozen blueberries. They don't have to be fresh, but you don't want to pop them in frozen. Make sure they're thawed out. With the plums, of course, they are very soft and they'll juice really easy too. We can just pop them in and the juicer will squeeze and press them through. Okay, now we do the carrots into the top. And just let the juicer do the work with the carrots. As the bowl's starting to fill up here, I'm mixing the juice inside the bowl. And then you can just let it out. Have a look how dry the pulp's coming out. taking your time. You don't need to push the carrot down. It won't cut it any quicker or make it go faster. It's also better for the juicing. You get a better, consistent squeeze of the carrots, making sure the pulp's flowing out freely and the juice is coming out. We don't rush and we don't force the juicer. It's a cold, slow press juicer. Maximising the nutrition is what we want for our eyes. Okay, look at this juice. So we've got a good half a litre there. Let's just give it a stir. Look at the colour, beautiful. The mixture of the orange and the blue and the plum. Cheers. Oh, it has a sweet vegetable taste. It's smooth. It's got that nice carrot vegetable flavour, if you like carrot juice, but there's that lovely fruit, berry and plum coming through. I think you're really going to like this juice. Happy juicing.